Thank you guys. Please don't. My husband is annoying. Please don't forget.
I'm biting very hard, kid.
Hi guys. Good morning. Good morning. I'm just like, as you can see, everything is like empty over there. I'm packing stuff, so I put everything the frame here and some of my jewelries in here, and it's a lot of scattered in this room because it's a mess before. Now it's worse because I'm piling up bins, bags of whatever I pack. I'm not packing everything yet, but I pack whatever when I stay over there upstate. Um, what I need is packed already. For example, towels. And I'm not done yet. I got up and then I have breakfast. Now I came back here after dropping my mother-in-law. I just dropped my mother-in-law like this, and I wear, jacket because it's cold. It's April. It's April 4th today, and tomorrow is my birthday. I'm turning very old, but old-ish, and yeah. So I'm just gonna take a shower, and my nails is really ugly, so I'm gonna take this off because I'm gonna take it off. I just cut my nails also because every time my nails is long, guys, what I notice, I cut myself. Look, like I cut myself like in my own nails, like when I'm when I do something on my body, I cut myself, like, so I cut my nails, and now I have to get rid of the nail polish. So right now my son is here. My son is here with me. Wherever I go, she is there. He is there. Yes, 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 yes. That's something, huh? That's a good thing about this cat. He's a mama's boy. He really is a mama's boy, guys. Wherever I go, he's there. Yes, yes, yeah. Hi. Anyway, guys, did you see this thing? Uh, I I don't really want this in my new house, but I told my husband this thing can go to my house if I paint it white. This thing here, I will paint this white, and right here it is this one open. This one here, I just put the thing over here like a towel. I put a towel over here that the cat's before the cat is here, like down, because this is like cat stuff over cat area over here, but I file everything in here right now. And then is mirror. You can open this one, and it's a mirror. And yeah, so I'm going to paint this. I don't know if I will bring this with me, this one, but I told my husband this one goes. And another thing over here, this is a big uh, closet, a drawer. It's a big one, so I don't know if I will take the whole thing. But this one, this is very old. I don't want to take this. We're just gonna throw this out. I don't like it, but yeah, everything in here, because I can't do nothing. This is not my house. So when I get here, everything just whatever, I can't do anything because as usual I can't touch anything like furniture wise because it's theirs, and I don't wanna start. So this is my jewelry thing. This is here, and I will bring that also because of course this one I don't know. I don't know what I'm gonna do, and it's a mess, guys. I'm not really done because my sister-in-law told me that you have to start packing because when I go over there, I'm gonna put everything in my car and go drive. Like, okay, I guess that's what I'm gonna do. I file every frame. There is a frame over here. Hold on, guys. I'll show you. I made this one. I think last year. I did this last year. This one here, cross stitch. Yeah, It's a big cross stitch, guys. Cross stitch. Yeah, I made this one. Yeah, look at that. She's very pretty. That's it, guys. I'm going to take a shower and I will see you later, guys. Hi, guys. I just put a little makeup on, but it's not really. I don't blow dry my hair because I don't wanna ruin it. I don't wanna ruin my hair. Hold on, I'm gonna do a shout out. Shout out alert. Alert, alert, alert. Shout out to Diamond Abiliana. Hi. Kate Espanyol. Hi. Rosalie Rosel or Rosalie Pacaanos. Aldab Aldab. Heinrich Dorfman. Am I correct? Hi to you. Elena Ankoviti. Elena, I will put the name down here, guys, if I don't pronounce it right. Biribu, Abiribu, thank you. Thank you to all. Flying Dale Flyer. Thank you to you for subscribing. And no, thank you for all your comments and for subscribing my video. Here's the subscriber from today. Okay, thank you to Pamela Dines. Thank you to Angie Gelvero. Thank you to Gert Don DT. Name right here, guys. If I'm not sure what I'm saying. Mario Padelia, Comtown Aquatics. Lovely Mom, Shuni Rikina, Bisdak Vlogger. Hi, Bisdak Vlogger. I watch your vlog. Look at this dog, oh. What is it? Oh, no, not my laptop. Not my laptop. Not my mommy's laptop. Bean William. Abigail Sue, thank you. Cherry Montialto. Dina Monteclaro. Jinsan. Connie Santos. Hi, Connie Santos. Hamada Levy. Mimi Alasa. Ayin Amadil. Malupa Mereros. Itang Eva. Willing Incajunado. And Dizzy Shilly David. Samuranos Mary Jean. Melissa Catigo. And 26158-773. Yeah, thank you to all of you. Yeah, thank you to you guys for subscribing my channel. And thank you all for watching my video. Roxy, what are you doing? Sit down. No. Don't bother your sister, huh? Hi, Demps. Hi, Demps. When we're starting doing cleaning and not cleaning, packing stuff, I'm going to I think I told you I'm gonna give you a tour. I'm going to give you a quick look in this house that we're living in right now, that I'm living for 8 years. I will give you a tour. I will show the whole thing because I've been vlogging, but you can see only in the downstairs area and in my room view, the side of my room. They're all small, guys. They're all small rooms, but I will show you. This is a big house. It's a third floor plus the basement, like that. So here, right, Roxy, you're going where we're going, right? You're going where you're going, right? Right, Roxy? Wherever mama and daddy go, you go, right? Right, Rox? Wherever we go, you go, right, Rox? Right? Do you wanna go with us? Right? Wherever daddy and mama go, you go with us. What do you want? Do you want something? What do you want? Huh? Where's Dada? Where's Dada? Where is Dada? I really love when he tilts her head. Where's Dada? Go look for Dada. Go look for Dada. Go look for Dada. She's coming. Go look for Dada. Go look for Dada. What? What is it? What is it, Rox?
No, no, I realize. I just prefer to be there as well, not just my wife.
We don't do nothing today. Not busy. My husband is busy on the phone. I was busy also talking with my cousin in Chicago. And what happened is it's almost ripe. It's ripe already. Some of them, not all. That's why I don't make it yet. But I'm planning to make this for mango float. And I'm gonna do a mango ice pop, ice candy slash ice candy. I don't know if I'll cook this. It's a pork Jusino. And you guys, I don't know how to cook this, guys. Honestly, I don't know how to make this. It's a frozen stuff. But you tell me, guys, please, 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 if you know how to make this, please leave a comment and let me know how to do this one, because I have this for a long time and I don't know really. And yeah, I have two of them. Hi guys, good evening. I know it's already almost morning, already my birthday almost. It's 11:30. We just finished eating a while ago because we have somebody come over. And yes, so she left like 10 something o'clock. And so we just get in bed. My husband is a little tipsy. He drank 2 bottle of
My
scotch.
toes. 2 bottles of scotch.
And anyway guys, I just vlog, I just let you know. Yes, crazy cat. I just want to let you know that, I just want to end this vlog properly because I wasn't able, most of my vlog doesn't end properly, so I want to end this right. So yeah, so you want to say good night to me?
Good night, guys.
Good night guys, and I will see you in my next vlog. Please, this week guys, I'm still crossing my fingers.
Oh, shark
And
kitties.
yeah, so almost, and I can't wait. I can't wait. My sister-in-law came here today, and I feel bad for her because she came here and the two the two are busy, and I'm the one in trying to entertain. But you know what? She's crazy. She's loaded her car like when I told you that she loaded her car. I packed some stuff, so she put it on her car for ready for this coming Thursday, and she went back uh, to her house, and that's it. And right now I'm seeing my cat biting daddy's foot like crazy. The butt, oh my god. Dimples.
It's not double knobs.
Hubs. Oh my god, Hubs. She really did bite, Anu.
Yeah, she's biting hard.
Crazy cat. Anyway guys, good night, and I will see you in my next vlog. And please stay tuned for my next just a quick house tour. So my husband, eh?
I don't know what he's trying to express. Ow! Sucker. Ow, ow.
She really
Oh,
did
that's
bite.
harsh. You're biting hard, kid.
Han, tell her not to do that, Han.
You're biting too hard. Oh,
Tell him.
oh, 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 oh.
He'll attack his sister all the time
Oh,
because he want to
oh,
feel bitey. Hey,
oh, 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 oh,
please
oh.
don't. My husband is annoying. Please, don't forget, subscribe, share my video. I really do appreciate it. And please come back and don't forget me.
Ow, 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 you dog,
Bye.
you. You're biting very hard, kid. I not appreciate it. Ow! Don't do the dance. Ow. You sucker. I can't just do this.